Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fellow parents, today I want to share some tips how to organize those adorable baby girl frocks. Trust me, I know how overwhelming it can be to keep them all in order, but with a little bit of organization, it will be a breeze. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about sorting. I found it helping to separate the frocks by size. You can use different basket or bin for each size range: newborn 0 to 3 month and 3 to 6 month, and so on. This way you will always know which frock fit your little ones at each stage. Next up, let's tackle the issue of storage. It's important to keep the frocks in a clear and dry place to maintain their quality. I recommended using vacuum sealed bags or clear plastic container with lids. They will protect the frocks from dust, moisture, and potential damage. Now let's move on to hanging options for those special occasions dresses that you want to keep wrinkle free. Invest in a cute little dresses hanger. These hangers are designed especially for tiny clothes and will keep those frocks looking picture perfect. When it comes to everyday wear, consider using a hanging closet organizer. These have multiple compartments where you can neatly fold and store the frocks, plus they make it super easy to find the perfect outfit for your little fashionista. Another handy tips is to label the storage containers or bins. You can use cute stickers or even print out label with the size range written on them, and this way you won't have to rummage through everything when you are in a hurry. Just grab the right one and go. Lastly, don't forget to regularly declutter and donate any frocks that your baby has outgrown. It's a great way to make space for new additions while also helping other families in need. And guys, there you have it, my friends, some simple and practical tips to organize those adorable baby frocks. And remember, a little organization goes a long way in making your life as a parent easier. I hope you found these tips helpful. Until next time, happy organizing, guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.